Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 122. Day number 122, we are in the process of solving the word problems. Here's the problem for today. Here's the question, I'm going to read it to you. It says, in 10 years time, I will be X years old. I'm telling you that 10 years from now, my age will be X years. The question simply is, how old am I now? What is my current age? So here's the solution. Let's pretend that my current age is Y years. Okay, let's just pretend it. My current age is Y year. If somebody were to ask me right now, how old are you? I'll say, I'm Y years. How old are you going to be in 10 years from now? I'm going to be X years. So, let's pretend that my current age is Y years. If that's true, then in 10 years time, if I'm right now Y years old, then in 10 years time, I will be, whatever my current age is, plus 10 more. This is my age 10 years from now. This is my age 10 years from now because I'm pretending, let's pretend that my current age is Y years old. So this is my current age plus 10 more is how old I'm going to be 10 years from now. And we are told that there is X. They're calling that X. They're telling you that in 10 years time I will be X years old. In 10 years time I'll be X years old. So X must equal my current age plus 10 more. But we are not done yet because we have to solve for the unknown. What is the unknown here? Pay attention, listen carefully. What's the unknown here? Is the unknown X or Y? Which one is the unknown quantity? Or whichever quantity the problem gives you is not the unknown. They're telling you how old I'm going to be 10 years from now. They're telling you that 10 years from now I'm going to be X years old. That is a known quantity. They're telling you X years old. Whatever that X happens to be. The question is, how old am I now? That's the question. That's the unknown. How old am I now, which is what we're calling Y years, that's what we have to solve for. So we're not done yet. We have to solve for Y. I need the room, so I'm going to erase it. So we have to get the Y by itself. How do we get Y by itself? Well, subtract 10 from both sides. Subtract 10 from both sides is the equation that is. So positive 10 and a negative 10 drop out and the Y equals X minus 10. So that's the answer. And tradition dictates, custom dictates that we write our unknown, which is our Y, on the left hand side and the known quantity on the right hand side. So this is the answer. I just switched the sides, that's all. Let's see if it makes sense. So the answer is Y equals X minus 10. Let's see if it makes sense Let's see if it makes any sense at all. I'm working up with it. I'm going to put it on the top. I need the room, so I'm going to erase this thing. You already have the question. I'm going to erase it. So the answer that we finally arrived is Y equals X minus 10. Well, what does Y represent? What does Y represent? That's my current age. We said let's pretend my current age is Y years. So this is my current age. My current age equals whatever I am going to be 10 years from now. Whatever I'm going to be 10 years from now, that's your X, minus 10. Which makes perfect sense. Which of course makes perfect sense that my current age should be whatever my age is going to be 10 years from now minus 10. Whatever my age is going to be 10 years from now If you take away 10 from it, that should give you my current age. That's all. Let's do one more, shall we? Let's do one more. I need the room, so I need to erase everything. That's it. Let's do one more. Give you a few seconds to pause the video, whatever you have to do. I don't want to erase it right away, even though it's recorded and so forth, I know that. Let's do one more. It's a force of habit. You see, in the classroom, when you get done doing something, you don't erase it right away. You give people some chance. It's just a force of habit. Even though right now it is not. That doesn't apply here. Here's the next question. How old would I be in A years if I am B years old today? Well, that's very straightforward. If I'm B years old today, in my current age, I am B years old today, so my current age is B years. How old would I be in A years time? Well, whatever the amount A is, if I'm B years old today, if I'm 20-year-old today, then in 3 years time I'll be 23. If I'm 50 today, in 10 years time I'll be 60. If I'm 100 years old today, in 17 years time I'll be 117. You just add up the two figures. So my current age is B, therefore in A years time I should be my current age plus how many years from now we're talking about? A plus B plus A years. There's the answer. My age A years from now, my age, one more time, my age B years from now is going to be my age that is today in A years time would be my age that is today plus the B years from now. I wrote down B plus S, which is still correct answer. That's all. You're done. That was the end for this problem, and that's the end for the lesson of today. I will see you tomorrow on day number 123. Okay?